Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to try out the viral TikTok craze of turning pasta into chips. And I'm going to try it two different ways. First, with an air fryer, and second, with the oven. And we're going to see which one's better, or if they're both good at all. So keep watching, and I'll show you step by step how to make these. We're going to see which one turns out best, but either way, we have to start out the same, and that is to cook our pasta. So I have a large bowl here filled with some water, and just follow the directions on the back of the package of your pasta. I'm using bow tie pasta here. Bring a pot of water to a boil. And when the water reaches boil, we're going to add in our pasta. And when your pasta's all done, we're just going to drain it. After the pasta has been strained, we're going to take out our pasta and just spread it out onto one even layer. We're going to take about half of these because the other half we're going to do in the air fryer. And when they're spread out, we're going to take some olive oil, squirt on there, then sprinkle on some salt, garlic powder, and some Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to take this, we're going to bake it in the oven about 17 to 20 minutes, and we can flip them about halfway through. Now for the batch of the air fryer, I have my air fryer right here, and I'm just going to put some into the tray of the air fryer. Spread it out nice and evenly. Try to make sure there's no overlap. Put our lid on, and we're going to air fry this at 350 for about 10 minutes. Okay, so our air fryer is turned off. Let's check on this. It's been 10 minutes at 350. Ooh, I think they're good. Pull those out carefully. So first up, we have the ones that we use the air fryer for. These only took 10 minutes at 350 degrees, and we're gonna dump them out and then try them out. So let's look at them. Some of them did stick together. You can just break them apart. They look nice and crispy like potato chips. So as far as texture is concerned, yeah, they are a lot like potato chips, almost more like Fritos than potato chips, but we're gonna try them out and see how they taste. Now that our oven prepared chips are done, we're gonna compare them to our air fryer. You can see the air fryer did a better job of making them crispier. So these are crispy too, just like chips, but it did take almost twice as long to make these. About 20 minutes, where this took 10 minutes. This was 400 degrees, this was only 350 degrees. So the air fryer alone, just judging that, the air fryer was better as far as cooking it faster and more crispier. Still haven't got to the taste part. Let's try that out. First, we're going to do our oven baked one. It's okay. I know they call them chips, but it almost tastes like pasta that wasn't cooked. That's what it feels like to me. So now let's try the other ones. These are the air fryers. Breaks up in your mouth more. I do like the air fryer ones better than the oven cooked ones. Still has the same type of taste, almost like pasta that isn't cooked, but the air fryer one definitely a little better than the baked ones out of the oven. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me test out this viral TikTok craze. These were okay. There were nothing spectacular, nothing great. I probably won't ever make these again, but if I did, I definitely would use the air fryer over the oven. It took less time. It was better tasting than the oven, although personally, I would just have a bag of chips if I wanted chips. So that's my thought. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button and check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. So after the pasta's been strained, and now that our oven, just in comparison, you can see the oven made chips and the fryer.